Sometimes the data that you are analyzing doesn't contain a field that you need. The answer might be a calculated columns. You can create a new calculated column by transforming two or more elements of existing data. For example, you can create a new column by combining two columns into one. One reason for creating a calculated column is to establish a relationship between tables when no unique fields exist. The lack of a relationship becomes obvious when you create a simple table visual in Power BI Desktop and get the same visuals for all entries. Let's have a quick look at how we can create a calculated column to enhance our data set. I'm working with the sales data here. You can import this updated file from the link in the description below with an updated geography table in it. We need to create a relationship between sales and geography table, but before, let's see, there is no relationship between the tables, so what will happen with the results when combining the tables? I will drag the district from geography table and from the sales table I will drag the revenue. If I make it a bit large for you people, so you can see over here that there is a same revenue for all districts just because there is no relationship between these two tables. To establish a relationship, we'll go in the model view from here. Here I cannot only drag and create a relationship as we do not have any unique key here that defines a relationship. Like if we check over here with these tables, manufacturer and the sentiment table column, so you can see over here we have the manufacturer ID in this column, and in this table you can see over here we have a manufacturer ID as well. So because of this unique key identifier, we have the relationship created in such a way that we have one-to-many relationship between these two tables. And if we go and check this product table, so you can see over here we have the manufacturer ID, and here in the product table you can see over here we have the manufacturer ID as well. So the cardinality has been set to one-to-many over here. Here if we look at the zip column, so zip column cannot be a unique key because zip can appear in two different countries. So here what I'll do, I'll combine the country and zip column to create a unique key in both tables. And to do that, let's go to the data view. We'll select the geography table from here, and from the bunch of the options here in the ribbon, I will select a new column. So you can see over here it's giving me a new column and introduces a formula bar to create a formula. To create that formula, the language that I'll use is DAX, the data analysis expression. DAX is a programming language used in Microsoft Power BI for creating calculated columns, measures, and custom tables. DAX is a collection of functions, operators, and constants that can be used in formula or expression to calculate and return one or more values. Here I want to combine the country and zip columns. So first of all, I will give the name to the column, country zip. I will write country. Let's stop here and see. Look, when I start typing there are various functions and options become available. So this is the beauty of Power BI and DAX formulas, that the available formulas and options will be introduced when we try to type any of the functions over there. So I will write country and select the geography from here, and I will provide the ampersand and the comma and again the ampersand. Now I will write the zip, so we have geography zip, and I will hit enter. So you can see over here we have successfully concatenated the tables easily. Now we will do the same for the sales tables as well. So I will click the sales table and go to the new column. I will write country zip. I will write country have sales country, ampersand, comma in between, and the zip. Okay, then hit enter. So it's also done for the sales table. I'll go back over here and create a relationship between these tables. So I've just dragged this country zip to this table. So you can see over here that relationship has been created, and cardinality as well. This is many to one. So I will go to my report view, and here you can see the correct revenue has been generated against the individual districts. Imported data often contains a field that you don't need for your reporting and visualization tasks. Data might contain unnecessary information, or it might be available in another column. Power BI Desktop has tools to optimize your data and make it more usable for building reports and visuals. To hide a field in the fields pane of Power BI Desktop, just right-click the column and select Hide. Your hidden fields aren't deleted. If you have used a hidden field in existing visuals, the data is still there. The hidden field just isn't displayed on the fields pane. If you view the tables in the model view, hidden fields will be marked as hidden in the I options over here. The data in these tables is still available and is still the part of the model. You can unhide in any field that has been hidden by right-clicking the field and then selecting the unhide. Click over here and then go to hide in report view and click this one. So here you go. We have successfully unhide this geography table. The Sort by Column tool available on the Table Tools tabs is used to help ensure that your data is displayed in the order that you intended. As a common example, data that includes the name of the month is sorted alphabetically by the default. For example, August would appear before February. In this case, selecting the month name field in the field list, selecting Sort by Column from the tool tables, and then choosing a field to sort by can remedy the problem. The month's number category sort option will order the month as intended. Setting the data type of a field is another way to optimize your information so that it's handled correctly. To change data type from the report canvas, select the column in the fields pane and then use the Format drop-down menu on the Columns Tools tab to select one of the formatting options. Any visuals you have created that display that field are updated automatically.